create pop-up box without JavaScript frameworks, let's talk about the dialog tag in HTML. Dialog is a native HTML tag for creating dialogs, modals, or pop-up messages, and it's super easy to use. This is a very simple example that you can see here. We got button. If we click, we got this box right here, and we can close that, and again we can open it with this button. First, we're going to have this dialog, of course, and inside of this we can have anything that we want to show in our box. And basically this dialog tag is container for our pop-up, and if we have this simple h3 title in this and this simple paragraph under that, our dialog should have this. But if we refresh now, you can see nothing is going to show right here, because we need to say to our web page to show this pop-up for us. And the way that we're going to do that, in this case, we're using this button which has this open word, and here we got our onClick, and here we need to target this tag right here. And for that, of course, this needs some ID. For example, we got this my dialog right here as its ID, and here we simply have this document.getElement by ID and pass the ID of that right here, which was my dialog. And here after this, we can use several things. First one is our show modal, just like this. And now if we refresh, you can see we got our button, and if we click on this, we got our pop-up right here. And if we refresh, it goes away. But because we need to be able to close that, and let's make our text a little bit shorter right here and copy this button that we just created below of our paragraph right here, but instead of show modal right here, we want this close, and we need to change the text of this to this close. And now if we refresh, if we click on this, this comes up, and if we click this close, it goes away. But we can show that in other ways than modal. For example, if you want to show that in non-modal pop-up like tooltip or notification, you need to use this show instead of show modal. And if you refresh again and click on this, you can see this time we don't have that tower on the background, and we got this in the top part of our web page. You can style your dialogues with CSS like any other elements. The dialog tag is lightweight, easy, and perfect for alerts, confirmation box, or custom modals. If you like this tip, hit like and subscribe for more clean HTML tricks.